Hi, myself Keki Singh, and I am a GEG leader Agra. In my discussion of Google Sheets today, I am going to link uh, a spreadsheet with another spreadsheet, and I am linking this sheet with the reference so that when I make the changes in my original sheet, the changes will automatically be made in the reference sheet. So let's move to our Google Sheet. So I am here in my Google Sheet. So this sheet is blank, and I am going to bring the data from another spreadsheet which is in my Google Drive, and I am going to take that data from Google Drive. And if you want to see, the sheet is this, the spreadsheet is this, and out of this sheet, because I'm going to make the reference with the help of the URL. So what is the URL? So URL is this. So I'm going to copy this URL here, and when I copy, also the sheet name is main data sheet. So I'm going on my reference sheet here, and here I'll make the command or the function importrange, and the URL should be within quotes, and that's why I'm giving the URL here. And after giving the URL, second part of this function is to bring the data. So the data should be again in the course range string. I am going to take from my original sheet. This is my original sheet, and name is A1 to K41, A1 to K41, to going to give main data sheet codes exclamatory sign A1 to K41. So this is the range. And secondly, I want to tell you that the URL is quite big, but the ID of that spreadsheet will suffice if I copy that ID only, and the ID is from here, this place, this character to this character. This is ID. So if I delete this after this ID and before this ID, this will suffice. Okay, so when I press the enter key, let's see what happens. So see here, the data comes to this sheet. This is the reference sheet. So if I make the changes in my original sheet, for example, suppose, see the result over here, there are marks, 70 marks. So if I change the marks 70 to 75 and 42 to 45, let's see what happens. So if I make the changes here, say 75, so if changes are made here and 45, so total is changed and percentage is also changed. Let's see what happens to that reference sheet, because this reference sheet should have the change data. So see here, 75, 45, and this is 248 and 67.0. Let's see what was there. So this, see it, 248 is a total and 67 is the percentage, and I made the changes here 70 to 75 and 42 to 45, and this is uh, changed respectively to 48 and 67.0. So my reference sheet will also be changed. So one more thing, if I change the name, for example, if change the name of this sheet, I just rename this, I just said data sheet. Let's see what happens to that reference sheet. It goes off. Why? Because my sheet name is changed. Now this is not the reference, so I'll have to make the change there. Okay, so come here, and either you give the change here, like if I type data like this, now it works, correct? So this is the reference sheet. So reference sheet means if I made the change is in the original sheet, that change will be reflected in my reference sheets. Okay, so whatever change I did there are reflected here, but the point is the sheet name should be the same. You cannot make changes in the sheet name or in the URL as well. So this way we can create the reference of the sheet in another spreadsheet. So hope you like it. If you like it, kindly share and subscribe and press the bell icon and follow us all the time. Bye bye.